friends, in this video we will discuss the benefits of machine learning. So the first and the foremost benefit of machine learning is that it reduces the programming time. You don't need to develop specific algorithms for different types of problems. The same algorithms, the same machine learning methods are going to work for multiple problems. So that way the programming time is going to reduce. You can use ready-made available libraries instead of developing your programs from scratch. Then you can customize and scale the products and extend the same model for multiple problems. So the model which is going to solve your NLP problems, the same natural language processing problems, the same model can be used for classification, identifying of images, face recognition, like that. Then it is capable of handling unprogrammable problems. Now the problems which are unsolvable by a normal C program or a Java program, those problems can also be solved. The hard untractable problems, what we call as the NP hard problems, NP complete problems, this machine learnings can be applied to those problems and maybe they will be solved in a better manner, which is not possible with the traditional programming. Then it promotes natural science. When we say this, now as a human, when I make a decision, I don't model my problem into a mathematical problem and then try to solve the equations and get an answer. As a human being, my brain has a neural network and that is working in the same way as machine learning is working. So, in the traditional programming, we try to solve the problems by making a mathematical model or equation out of the problem and then solving the problem. But in case of machine learning, we are using the natural science, the way the nature behaves, the way the decisions are taken in the nature, which is not very apparent, but we can see as we observe the nature. So nature is not solving any equations, it is using methods like machine learning for solving the problems. I hope this video is useful to you and you will be sharing these videos with your friends and colleagues, and you will make use of these videos and understand machine learning in a better manner. In subsequent videos, I will be covering the types of machine learning. Thank you very much for watching.